I like to write. I wake up at 4. Keep up with me. Hey, let's do more. Come 12 o'clock, I've done a lot. All so important to me. Working hard for husband, kids, and family. Cooking, cleaning, leading. Librarians, teachers, schools. All Unicorn Jazz team for students. All for 5 hats. Family, friendship, career, connection, adventure. That's who I am. I'm Lisa Caprelli. Tell me who you are. The average child's attention span is 3 to 5 minutes for each year of their age. When it comes to literacy and learning, you have to get creative in order to keep kids engaged. Puppets are the perfect tool to make reading fun. Books are better when they are read with energy, exciting tones, and funny voices. Even if you're a shy reader, a puppet can become your alter ego. Kids use their imagination to separate the real speaker from the puppet. So grab a sock, a few buttons, whatever you like, and bring your new puppet friend to life. Thanks to our friend, Keyana Martinez, mom, teacher, and founder of the Storytime Box.
Guys, welcome back to another one of my videos, and today I'm here with a special guest, my mom. And make sure you go follow her at A Sailor's Wife blog. And so today, together we are going to make finger puppets and punch holder or
hole puncher.
A hole puncher, a ruler, glue.
Oh, and
pencils or
markers.
Markers.
And we need black and blue. So the first thing we're gonna do is we want to cut out the pieces of the body. So
we already cut the holes.
You guys can see punching the holes into the zebra body. So let's go ahead.
I just finished the neck.
Show them the neck. He's coming out so cute.
He's actually looking like a zebracorn. Okay,
All done. Here's
zebracorns.
And so, of course, we have to play with them because why else do you make puppets? Okay, so. They're so cute. And this is how you make a zebracorn. Thank you so much, Lisa Caprelli, for giving us this opportunity to do this unicorn, zebracorn with you. We appreciate you guys checking in and watching us while we're doing it. Hope you guys like them.